What is up everyone, P1 Omega here. Welcome to Best of the Worst, where I play the lowest rated games on Steam and I decide whether or not they deserve their low ratings. Today we're going to be playing Construction Machines 2014, which has the most in-depth character creation I've ever seen. Oh god, what in the hell am I doing? Yeah, let's go with the black guy. I'm concerned that this game already had details of me set. Like, has this game been stealing my information? Sure, we'll go with a crane and we'll call the company. I don't know. Alright, Fucktopus. Yeah, let's go with Fucktopus. Okay. Yep, sure. Ooh, career mode, sure. So, I mean, okay, choose machine color. God, don't you love that the fucking screen moves as you move the mouse when you need to use the mouse to select these? Don't you think that's a fucking brilliant design choice? Yeah, let's go with orange. Shop. You cannot buy this machine because you don't have enough money. Well, I can't do anything then. Okay. Move the debris from the construction site to the marked place. I got this game on sale, by the way. 50p. I think I'm gonna be quite glad that I did. Oh, are we crashing? Are we crashing? No, unfortunately we're not. Oh, look at that frame rate. You have to clean up the place by moving debris and bricks to the hole in the ground. Move mouse to look around, use WASD or cursor keys to move your character. If you want to move slower, press and hold the shift. Oh, the shit. Oh god. The shit for the button. Press space to jump over obstacles. Ah, this game is already worth the money. Press C to change camera. See your task, press F1. To board a machine, move its cockpit and press enter. Nah, I can move this barehanded. Why does this game need a jump command? Of all... Oh god, look at that frame rate. What the fuck? Let's change the camera. Oh, look at him run! Oh, we need the Olympics music playing over the top of this. Looks like he's fucking doing an Olympic sprint here. Okay. Press enter to enter the vehicle. I can't see anything. Use R and F to move the front bucket up and down. Press F2 to see the active controls. Okay. Oh! This might be the worst set of controls I've ever used in my life. Like, straight up, this is abysmal. In case you want my professional opinion on whether or not this game is worth it, no it isn't. Oh god, that sound is grating, I can't do first person. But I also can't do third person because this is the view they gave me. I have to, okay. It's making me look at the side of my truck. Really? This might be the most shoddy camera work I've ever seen. And I've seen some bad camera work in games. Playlist, track 8. Generic track number 12, basically. Or generic track number 8, actually. They literally made the joke for me that time. And I'm stuck. How am I supposed to pick anything up? I don't... Real construction workers who just happen to be watching my videos, it's not like this, is it? Tell me it can't... Oh god, that physics. Boing! That explains why I can't pick anything up. I'm driving a truck made entirely of rubber. Oh god, there's animations as well. Didn't this say this came out in 2014? Yeah, Skyrim came out 3 years before... Was it 4 years before this? Oh wow. This is what you get when you have a 20-cent budget, folks. Look at this. Oh, look at it. Take a long look, read it, and wait, boys. I can't do shit. Like, if the basic objects in the game are tripping me up and stopping me from moving, how the fuck am I supposed to do any construction? And also, how am I supposed to pick up all these individual little pieces of debris? And also, I'm on free mouse rotate camera mode. Yeah, moving the mouse doesn't rotate the camera. And the third person camera always picks the worst possible angle to go at it can possibly find. And the first person camera makes the most annoying noises ever put to game. I really don't think I'm exaggerating. Just try and listen to that. I can't take 20 seconds of it. How can anyone take playing an entire game making those noises? This is bad. This game is really, really bad. And I just can't take it. I really don't recommend this one, guys. If this is your sort of thing, more power to you, but I can't find any redeeming factors so far. Unless you just want to laugh at that shit spelling error, but it's probably not worth the money. So my name is P1 Omega. Stay cool, guys. I'll see you all next time. Thanks.